Hello everyone, this is Vishal, and in today's video I am going to give a solution of a problem, and the problem is what to fill in registration number column of Tolani Maritime Institute for August 2022 batch form. So I will divide that into two parts of students, and the students are having their result and the students who are not having their result, means they are appearing in the year 2022. So the students who are not having their results and they are appearing and they will give their boards in the year 2022, they need to fill their registration number of class 12 in that column of the Tolani form. And if you will ask your registration number from a teacher, the teacher will easily provide you. Don't worry, that's not any issue. If you will simply ask, they will provide you, and you need to fill that registration number in that Tolani form. That problem gets solved for the appearing students, and the students who had passed their class 12 in the previous year or in 2020. Okay, so they need to fill their board roll number in that column. Okay, and I had made that video of Tolani filling form. I had guided the step by step how to fill that form in an easy manner, and what things to fill in which column, and what's the correct procedure. And if you have not seen that, I had attached the link of that video in the description. Thank you for watching.